Hi viewers, welcome to this channel. So if you want real-time projects videos, so those videos playlists were available in our channel. Kindly watch in the iCards or end cards or in the channel playlists. So in this video, so many were asking regarding the MSBI tools. So here, what is MSBI? MSBI stands for Microsoft Business Intelligence Tool. So which consists of three tools. One is the SSIS, second one is the SSAS, third one is the SSRS. What is SSIS? In this video we shall speak about that one. Where it is used, why it is it difficult to learn? So if you talk about the transformations, generally we call in software terminology as ETL operations. ETL stands for extract, transform and load. That means suppose if you are having an input file as Excel file which consists of some data which is prepared by some system engineers, or if the input file is of type CSV type file which consists of some data, or if you are having some kind of a database file which is in the SQL server database or MySQL database. So such kind of files which consists of data prepared by the system engineers need to be converted to the other form. For example, if the input data file is Excel file, I want to clean the data and convert that one to the database file. Suppose if the input file is of type database file, I want to convert it to Excel file. Suppose if the input file type is of CSV file, I want to convert it to Excel file or database file. Such kind of operations where we are going to extract data from different types of input sources. Those sources we can call it as data sources. Excel data source, CSV data source, database data source. Such kind of data source you are going to extract, and you are going to clean the data according to the client requirement. So that is nothing but a transform, and you need to load it to the required destination file. The destination file may be anything, that is a Excel file or a CSV file or database file according to our requirement. So that is nothing but the extract, transform, load, that is ETL operations. In order to perform the ETL operations, we are going to use SSIS. What is the full form of SSIS? SQL Server Integration Services. So SSI stands for SQL Server Integration Services. So here you will be having the source file as the input file you are going to load, and that one you are going to transform through some coding, that is by using the SQL code or in the SSIS tool, and finally in the destination file you are going to convert that one form of file to the another form of file. So here we are going to use the SSIS. So here you will be having number of tools. So if you want to know more about those things, I have created lot many of real-time projects. So you can watch those in the playlist available. Okay. So you can watch more number of videos there. And coming to the difficulty of learning. So here you need to know about SQL coding first. So and some terminologies where you are going to follow in the SSIS you will be using. For example, you need to schedule the ETL operation every time. So in that case, what to write the code? Suppose if you want to remove the duplicates every time you perform the operation in the SSIS, there should not be any repeated rows. For example, for the first time, if you are having 15,000 rows from input file to the destination file loaded. So if you run for the second time, it should not be increased to double, that is 15,000 plus 15,000, 30,000, and for the third time 30,000 plus 15,000, 45,000. So every time you run the SSIS, so the input data source containing some number of rows what you have cleaned, so that one will be added every time. So that should not happen. So in order to do that one, what you need to do, so what type of code you need to do, and if you want to use some what we call dynamic transformations, so in that case what you need to do, so such a kind of a dynamic operations, scheduling operations, alert operations, so you will be doing by using the SSIS. So is there any alternative to these tools? Yes, there were lot many. For example, Informatica tool also performs the same ETL operation. But whatever may be the thing here, you need to know about the SQL syntax. So this was about what is SSI. So in order to perform some operations using SSIS, you need to have a valid SQL Server configuration software. So how to install that one I have shown in this videos also. So SSIS tutorials is also there, SSAS is there, SSRS is there. In this SSIS tutorials, more number of videos were there in this channel. So kindly watch those for installation of that SQL Server. And after that you need to install the SSIS tool separately. So this was about the SSIS. Okay, thank you so much. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like it, share it, and if you have any doubts you can call me through call me for app which is given in the Telegram channel. Kindly join into that one for software courses or support, and watch the playlist regarding the real-time projects. Thank you so much.